Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites and why they matter. Region locks and level gates prevent drops, so fix those first. Once confirmed, gather your reagents and equip any items that improve luck or yield. Next, travel to the exact node and set a waypoint. This saves time and avoids backtracking. Begin the interaction or harvest immediately using the fastest route you scoped. Stay focused and move deliberately, because early efficiency increases your chances and reduces repeated runs. Now you execute the core routine. Apply the recommended tool or skill order to each node and time your actions to avoid wasted cooldowns. Clear nearby enemies first so respawns and interrupts don't spoil the window. If spawns are wrong, retreat and reset the area to trigger a fresh cycle. Keep a simple tally of drops every run, and if you fail 2 or 3 times, tweak your approach. Change equipment, timing, or the node you hit to improve yield. Finish by converting or storing the stone blossom immediately so you don't lose progress. Some systems require crafting or turn-in steps to make the item usable. If you consistently get nothing, change one variable at a time, try a different node, a different time, or bring a friend to alter drop mechanics. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the instance or clear local cache between runs to remove sync errors. Finally, log what worked so future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.